Hello everyone, this is Andre for 404 Blackhawk Tactical. Today I want to bring you a video of the SBR gun that I have built. Took it to the range today, so I want to show you guys the groupings that I shot from this gun and how it actually performed out, at the range. If you guys haven't seen my other video of this build, go check them out. 2 videos. So to this point, some of you guys already seen the video, but I just want to go over the details of basically how this gun shot at the range. The bullets and ammunition I was using was the American Eagle. This is 5.56 bullets, 55 grain bullets. So, but before we begin, let's make sure the gun is clear. As you can see, no ammo in there. The bolt was racked open, nothing there, and it's on safety. So, what I have to say, took a while for me to get this zero in, but I finally got it to the point where I can get some nice, good grouping. And I have to say, it really performed well. I mean, like I said, to me, the heart of the gun is the bolt and the actual barrel. So, just wanted you guys to check out the video and let me know what your thought. So, here's the video about the road when I'm at the range, and check it out. Okay, we're gonna see how accurate this gun really is. Alright, bring the chart in. I'm going to show you guys. Yeah. Let's go. Super. So that's a good angle. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, the gun performed really well. I really got some good grouping, and I would say what With these targets, the farthest one apart is probably about 1 inch and 1/4. And up here, I didn't really measure this one. It's about 2 inches and 1/4, but I also had a bullseye. But these are relatively close, as you can see from the target. So overall, I'm pretty happy about this build. Seemed like this is going to perform well for me. I didn't have any jams, so that's the key. I didn't have any jams on this here, so it just ate the ammo up. So what I have to say, I mean, you guys, you're actually building a rifle, you know, like I said, check out BCM. They got good barrels and good bolt carrier. But other than that, this is Andre from 404 Blackhawk Tactical. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you, and God bless. Take care.